Hey there, welcome back to HamztechFixer YouTube channel. Your go-to channel for all things tech troubleshooting and gaming fixes. Today, we have an issue that many of you have encountered, the dreaded 0xc007b error while playing some of your favorite games on Windows 10. This error can be a real buzzkill. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to fix the 0xc007b error so you can get back to gaming without any interruptions. Guys, look. I will show you how to make the game work without any errors. Please watch the video without skipping any part. If you skip, you will not understand how to fix this error correctly. So watch the full video for 0 errors. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech guides. Alright, let's dive into today's video. Guys, please follow every step as I do in this video. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and go to my website using this link. Turn on the dark mode for best view. You can visit my channel by clicking the link here, and you can go to my website. Now you have to download all the game's requirements files here.
Best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Guys, I have already downloaded these all files. So I am not going to download them all. If you don't understand how to download these files, there is a video posted at the bottom of the website. You can watch the video and download it. Guys, please follow every step as I do in this video. Time is
of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Now open the control panel. Then open Programs Options and open the Turn Windows Features On or Off settings. Now turn on the All.NET Framework features and Direct Play feature. You need to install everything here, otherwise you won't be able to fix the error properly. Definitely after following these steps you will be able to fix this error.
Heard them say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Sometimes I feel that my luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the
Now you need to extract the folder containing these DLL files and replace the files in the respective locations.
eternal.
Now copy all the DLL files and paste them in the respective folder location. Guys, now let's see if the game works. Guys, look, it is working now. By following these all steps, you should be able to fix the 0xc007b error on Windows 10 to 11 and enjoy your favorite games without any issues. Remember, troubleshooting can sometimes be a bit tricky, so take your time and don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to HamztechFixer for more tech tips, gaming fixes, and all things related to making your tech life easier. Until next time, happy gaming buddies.